Misogyny, in its simplest form, is a deep-rooted prejudice against women. It's not just a casual dislike or a simple bias, but a pervasive and systemic belief that women are inferior to men in some way. This belief manifests in various forms, from subtle, everyday microaggressions to blatant acts of violence and discrimination. The roots of misogyny are buried deep in our past, and its branches have spread wide and far. Ancient civilizations, including ones as varied as the Greeks and the Romans, harbored misogynistic beliefs. Women were seen as property, as objects to be owned, controlled, and traded. This mindset, unfortunately, did not remain confined to the annals of history. It evolved, adapted, and survived, seeping into every facet of society, including the seemingly innocuous hobby sectors. One such sector is the first-person view quadcopter and remote control hobby world. The joy of flight, the thrill of control, the satisfaction of perfecting a trick should ideally be experiences open to all, irrespective of gender. But the tendrils of misogyny have crept into this realm too, creating an often unwelcoming environment for women. Toxic bro culture, a byproduct of misogyny, is a significant contributor to this unwelcoming atmosphere. It's a culture that promotes aggressive masculinity and often sidelines or belittles anyone who doesn't fit into that narrow definition of manhood. This culture not only pushes women away from the hobby, but also creates a hostile environment for anyone who doesn't conform to its norms. This toxicity, this gatekeeping, does more than just drive women away. It stunts the growth of the hobby. It limits the pool of talent, the diversity of ideas, and the breadth of experiences that can enrich the hobby. It creates an echo chamber that only serves to reinforce the same old ideas and perspectives, leaving no room for innovation or evolution. In conclusion, misogyny, in its many forms, has been a part of human society for far too long. It has seeped into every corner, every domain, including hobbies like FPV quadcopters and RC. The toxic bro culture, a manifestation of misogyny, is not just harmful to women, but detrimental to the hobby as a whole. It's high time we recognize this problem, address it, and work towards creating a more inclusive, welcoming, and diverse environment for everyone. After all, the joy of flight, the thrill of control, and the satisfaction of perfecting a trick are experiences that everyone should have the chance to enjoy.
Spreading sleaze, greed, misogyny, and lack of understanding. Yeah, that's me. That's me. That's what we do here. That's what we do here.